RS Berkane. Bendel Insurance 1. RS Berkane of Morocco 1. Thanks. That's the end of the first 45 minutes here in Benin City. That's the vacation. Look. Now for RS Berkane. Going out, number 11 shirt, Yusuf Goldie. And going in is Cassandra. Jesse. Ismail Saki.
Okay, even if you what the fuck? Penalty!
Going out, number 27 jersey.
Okay.
Second round, Bendel Insurance of the Cup Federation Cup. Bendel Insurance won. And for the Arsenal, the goals will come.
قبل ما نتكلم على المقابله كنبغي نعزي باسم النادي جميع الضحايا ديال الزلزال اللي ضرب البلاد ديالنا الحبيبه، وكنتمنى من الله كنقول عزاؤنا واحد، وكنتمنى من الله انه يقوينا ويقوي بلادنا حتى تمر من هذه الازمه. هذه اول شيء. ثاني حاجه، رغم الظروف اللي كتمر منها بلادنا كان ضروري اننا نجيو ونلعبوا مقابله اللي تليق بينا وتليق بالاسم ديالنا وتليق بالاسم ديال بلادنا. لعبنا مقابله رجوليه، كنظن النتيجه كتبقى ايجابيه، هدفين لكل فريق. كنظن باقي لنا مباراه ديال العوده، غادي نشوفوا ان شاء الله شنو ممكن نديروا فيها. مي بالنسبه ليا في لي كونديسيون، في الظروف اللي كاينين، نتيجه جد ايجابيه.
So he gives his condolences to all the victims of the earthquake that happened to Morocco, and he's saying that that his team did his best.
Like I said, so I think it was a difficult game. I think we did a good job. 2-2 for us, it's a good result, and I hope we do best in the second game.
First of all, appreciate our God who brought us far from this. Nobody thought we'd make it to this stage, but we'll give all the glory to God. 2-2 for us. We know it's a difficult task for us, but we strongly believe we'll go to Morocco and prove a lot of people wrong. Yeah. I believe in my boys. Nobody's perfect. We all made mistakes. Goalkeeper made mistake. Defender made mistake. Attacker made mistake also. We work as a team. We move together. Everybody mistake is our mistake. If one made mistake, it's for everybody. So it's not defender made mistake. Everybody made mistake. The second goal, maybe lack of experience. We are coming up. I believe as time goes on, we'll try to adapt. We know what to do. Maybe the defender would have sacrificed for us, but he just decide to stay close to the defender. And, the feed also was not fair for us. We ran. So I believe if the feed was also fair, and that's not an excuse. So if the feed was fair, so we would have played lovely football, the win and the stuff.
Nothing, we'll go back and try to correct our mistakes and try to fight for the second game when we go over there. I said, this is African champions competition. You don't expect teams to come easy. So you people need to understand and appreciate the level of performance of your team. Result, not good, but you need to appreciate the performance, because if the performance is good, you can get it right. I keep telling people, it's not about the result, it's about the performance. Football is about participation. It's not all about winning. It's about participation. We want to remain in the tournament, we'll go out and fight for the game. If the result doesn't go well, we'll take it and go back and start again next time. I tell people who care to listen, if you are a football person, appreciate performance. If you play in your bedroom and you don't play well, you're bound to lose the game. So it's not about we're going there. Can you just take joy in that your team is playing on the continent and we are going to try and defend the pride of this state and the pride of the country? That's what we're worried about.